Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be knowing the difference between basically the slider and the carousel. So, you need to have a project for that, and if you don't have one, you can just come in over here, build, group pages, and then I already have some sites, but just in case if you don't, you're able to just go in the group pages, build group pages, and then we waited for it to load. And simply open it up, and if you don't have one, click on new site to make one so you can go. So you open it. So let's first see the carousel, what it does. So the carousel is actually pretty simple. How it works is it's same as a slider, but it is the same. Actually, it is the same. But you can do more option with the slider. But here, this is what you can do. You can make it loop, and autoplay loop means you can keep going. Autoplay will move onto the next slide automatically. Autoplay seconds is like how many seconds will it take before the next slide. We put two slides, and also do note we need the same image at the same size to do it. I just select it. So in the group pages, like what the site are doing, it will look like this. Doesn't really look good and looks unorganized, but you need to click preview to make it work, which is the big eye icon. And this is how it looks. It will move automatically if I give it time. 3 seconds, okay. So that is basically it. It's like just a carousel, just moving. Slider, okay, that is pretty much it for the carousel. That's it. So the slider, what does the slider has? What the slider does has more features. Like you can actually put some images if you want to it. You can put some text. I can put a text over here, and I'll put an image on the other side. Where is the images? Okay, found it. Okay, so I'm about to show you the difference. If you choose the image, yeah, you in fact in the carousel you don't have to choose the image, but in here you do have to choose the image, which is still cool. So click on update. Yeah, so it also looks more organized here. Other than that, so this tag isn't really big enough, so we can just copy this and paste it, and it's pretty big. So now you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, that's enough. So now it has bunch of, it's like the advanced version of it. Like if you go on slider animation, you can see fade in, fade down, which are different animation, flip, zoom in, which are on animation duration. It has a better layout as well, like you know, to type it. It has a new auto hide feature, which is kind of cool. So same as before, pause on hover, that is new. We didn't have pause on hover, which means if you hover it, it won't be paused. And it gives you, like, you can like pause the stuff. You can like customize the arrow keys, which is still good. Like it's pretty cool. And you make it your own, like your own design. So it's like pretty much like the advanced version of it. I mean, yeah, you can see it improving. So in order to view it, you just press on this, the icon once again. It's a preview mode, and there you go. It can move on its own. Also, you can make it transparent if you put it in a place like this. I'm pretty sure I did that on my another video where I recreated the carousel from Starlink. You should see that video. It's link in the description. When that is it for today's guys. That's the difference. The slider is just more advanced, and has tons of features in it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye guys.